The Drug Enforcement Administration is the United States government's lead agency in the continuing battle against the trafficking of illicit drugs and the violence tied to drug crime. With one sole mission, for over 35 years, the DEA has led the charge to fight that battle for the citizens of a great nation. The dedicated and well-trained men and women of the DEA remain vigilant to serve. This is the story of the Drug Enforcement Administration. Today, DEA is heir to a long, honorable tradition. Since 1915, several predecessor federal agencies investigated drug crime. However, in 1973, an all-out declaration of war on drugs was launched by President Richard M. Nixon. In order to best carry out such a war, the President combined all federal anti-drug agencies under a unified command. That command was established with an executive order which created the Drug Enforcement Administration. Now in its fourth decade of service, the DEA is first and foremost a global drug law enforcement agency that enforces the federal narcotics and dangerous drug laws of the United States. Its wide range of capacities and abilities are aimed at disrupting, dismantling, and finally immobilizing drug trafficking organizations, fully prosecuting their members, tracking and seizing their illegally obtained assets, attacking the economic basis of the drug trade, and contributing to our nation's fight against global terrorism. DEA is uniquely structured to carry out this vital responsibility efficiently and effectively. Appointed by the President, the DEA command structure is headed by an administrator who oversees drug operations conducted from 21 strategically located field divisions subdivided into 206 resident offices, district offices, and posts of duty. And because drug trafficking is an international undertaking, the DEA has investigators stationed in 87 overseas offices located in 63 countries around the world. At its core are over 10,000 dedicated employees, including more than 5,000 special agents, the men and women on the front lines. DEA's special agents are its cutting edge. They develop the cases and make the arrests with an unyielding spirit to protect and serve. A special agent's job is often performed in difficult circumstances and hostile environments. A job, by its very nature, that demands the highest levels of skill and training. A job that puts lives on the line every day. And that's why it's a job for which special agents are thoroughly trained. Sadly, many lives have been lost in the effort to fight drugs, in the line of duty, in service to the well-being of this country. The DEA Wall of Honor pays tribute to those fallen heroes. Tragic as the losses are, however, they do not deter. On the contrary, they inspire and encourage. They cement a powerful commitment that defines the DEA and motivates each of its employees to use every weapon, every tool, every ounce of skill, vision, dedication, imagination, innovation, and energy to rid this country of illicit drugs and the terrible destruction those drugs inevitably spawn. Across the nation and around the globe, on a wide range of fronts, the DEA's positive impact continues to expand through its dedicated workforce, its technical expertise, and its cooperation with foreign and domestic law enforcement. They combine to form an ever-evolving picture of the DEA today. That is the DEA story, its only story. It has been the DEA story since 1973. A tradition of excellence.